we're going. So put your little foot right here. So the babies are fitting out, going home. And so he gets his whole burger all to himself. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Put your foot out. Put your left foot in. Put your left foot out. Put your left foot in. And shake it all about. We do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. There we go. I fed them about 4:30, so he's not quite finished digesting. And you can see, still got just a little bit to food in. Alright, now that you've messed up all this paper, I worked so hard to lay things straight. There we go. Baby blue and gold should be yours. All you have to do is call and pay the deposit down. Now watch your face, don't drip. Let me have some face. Wow, that was right in my ear. Come on. Look how pretty he is, almost a turquoise. Lots of green in this thing. Alright, now you stay right there. Stay right there. I'll be back in the morning. Switch over here. Handle it with my whack-a-mole light. Whack-a-mole for light. Alright. This little guy goes up to the shop with us now every day. Come on. He says, I don't want to come out and get in that cold box. Good job. Good job. Roll over. There we go. You're so adorable. Somebody could have you, take you home tomorrow because you're ready to go home. You're eating some on your own. And you're eating well whenever we feed you. You're such a good boy. This is a boy, DNA tested, feathered almost completely under his wings. So he's ready to go home. There we go. He's already trying to say hello or let go, whichever you prefer to call it. Sounds a lot like hello, though. Come on, little Missy. And you're ready to go home with somebody, too. Oh, my goodness gracious. And you got to stand down here. There we go. Oh, your toenails are killing me here, sweetie. Ouch. Seriously, my goodness. My goodness, what is your problem, little girlfriend? This is a DNA-tested female. There we go. There we go. Can you roll over on your back? There we go. I see, I'm not as good as brother. I'm not as good as brother. There we go. Are you hungry? See, not really. I have a crop full of pellets. There we go. Now go back in here. Go on, put yourself to bed. It's night time. Go on. I've got all night. As you can see, we've rearranged some things. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come on. Over here. Oh. You must come out. At least once a day. Oh my goodness gracious. Here we go. Turn around. This is a little boy. I had 3 of them DNA tested because I had bands for them. The other ones I have not DNA tested because they don't have a band. Oh my goodness. Jump up there. This is our Wednesday night feeding. The shop is going very well. to realize that we are a real business now, not just a hole-in-the-wall dump. I tell people all the time, the new shop compared to the old shop is like comparing the Hilton to the Notel Hotel. There we go. Look, I think this millet is perfectly good. We can work. Oh, I forgot to take the fry. Sorry. So we have a beautiful store. Carts to carry your food on. I don't know how you got wet underneath. Over here. In case that way is something I don't want you to be on. I don't know how you got food on the wall. What's up with that? And that's what happens when you leave toddlers in the bathroom alone. You come in, you have to hose down the whole bathroom because they think it's finger food. There you go, Mickey. Good job. Good job. Let's wipe your face. I have an umbrella I'm going to pull out of the nest here next week. An umbrella baby. And next you have to let go of me because you have a piece of the puppy pad. Thank you. That is so rude. So rude. Night night. There's my little boy. He's graduated to a cage. Try not to let him get cold. I have the heater right next to him whenever I get out of here. There we go. Are you done? I didn't think you were done. No. This might be a little thicker. There we go. This little white-bellied kite. We get orange on his head. Stand up there on the perch like a big bird. Good job. And we have some green cheeks. There we go. Probably the last of the green cheeks for the year. This is a black, green cheek or black cap? Black cap. Green, no, black cap, yeah. Where are you going? This little guy is going to go up to the shop. I'm pretty sure this is a male. I had somebody that called me and asked for a male Lutino. So he won't stay at the shop for long. And he says, I've got a crop full of millet. I'm not eating anything. You want anything else? No, good. Here we go. And this is my new bird I think I'm going to have in my show. This is a rose-breasted cockatoo. Come on, Missy, will you come out? Come on, here we go. There's a good scratch. There's a good scratch. Can you step up? Come on, step up. Come on, there we go. There we go. Good job. Good job. I'm hoping to have this one in my show. How old is this one? 10. She's 10 years old. She still loves her baby food. There we go. Oh my goodness. One more taste. One more taste. That's it. We're just making a mess. Good job. What's her name? Mickey. Mickey. That's Mickey. must learn to come out. There we go. He must learn to come out. Alright. Good job. Wow, that made me out of breath. How about you? Get your tail in. Now this is the little illager. What's his name? Gizmo. Gizmo is visiting. His mommy and daddy have gone out of town. I have instructions on to check his nose. So, nose looks alright to me. I'm going to pull this down here so I can see you. Looks like he may have some food particles in there. He looks pretty clean. Alright, you gotta get down, Gizmo. Let's go. Here we go. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy. There we go. Alright, that's enough then. My goodness. They said he was eating baby food still? Maybe it's not warm enough. Or maybe he's just eating it cold. Alright, now I'm headed over this way. These are the two newest blue and golds. Look how cute they are. Trying to feed each other. They're only 3 days apart. Yes, here's the one with the constricted toe. Here we go. Alright, so you see this foot is normal. But this foot has a constricted toe. When I first took a picture of it, the toenail was barely visible because it was so swollen. Now, I have put the light on it. Can you see through there? And pull the skin apart. Alright, hang on. And gone down in there and loosened up that dead skin. Oops, I can't see. You get that dead skin out of that crevice, and sometimes you can save the toe. So we do that every time I feed him. And since we're digging down in there, we do the Neosporin. Alright, get back over there. You are so active. There is nothing wrong with you, except you have an ugly toe. So then we take the Neosporin and push it in the crevice and massage vigorously to keep the blood flowing. And can you find my red light? Now, I know this is a lot of hassle to do, but it's worth saving a toe. There we go. Can you keep him from jumping out? This red light is a ultraviolet thing that promotes healing. After I've put the cream on it and still massaging it, I'm pushing the light on it to help massage it, to keep the blood circulating. You have to do this before you feed him because he'll get so excited he throws up. All right, now you can eat. He says, well, it's about time. A person could starve to death with all this. Here we go. There we go. Good job. I'm going to give you a little bit more. What is it, too hot now? Well, that's all right. Stir it. It usually loses 4 degrees when you stir it. You see the difference? He's about 3 days older than this one, than the younger one. And you can empty out one of the big ones in there, and that'll cool it down. Mama's home. That is cute. Little baby, this was a bumper crop of blue and gold. I remember 1 year we couldn't get nothing but there we go. That could be why they only breed. Just want to make sure I don't go too much. You. Look, this way. Are you really done with me? Are you really? I can have a little bit more. These guys, you got to bring them right up to the glass, or else they'll hang on the side and end up throwing up. Not just good morning. All right. You guys are so energetic. These will probably be ready to go in about 3 to 4 weeks. Don't bite me hard. Don't bite me hard. I don't know why you have that bald spot except I see food. You probably ate the food that died on your wing. All right. The television I have at work, I'm trying to get these videos up. They're not YouTube videos, but they're Facebook, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but it's a little bitty picture in the middle of a great big fat TV screen. I don't know. If you turn it you got it turned sideways? Has it been that way the whole time? Oh, cool. Maybe it will be a little bitty picture. Seriously! Hey! That hurts, Mommy. They only eat about a half of one. In a couple of weeks, they'll eat the whole thing. Don't bite me. I'm serious. That hurts me. You see that face? Oh. Nope. Now these Eligers were with their parents for about 2 weeks. So that's how I like to get them in whenever they've been with their parents for 2 weeks. And their eyes are open. And you have them that you are their best friend. This is another white-bellied coyote. These guys are not as fat as I would like them. There we go. Good job. Such a cutie pie. No one's watching. Usually Sarah says, we've got 15 minutes. It must be a really slow Wednesday night. I did these two. Yeah, alright. Now the heater needs to go all the way back down to that white belly. Turn it around. There we go. Turn it around. There we go. Then the white belly can stay warm. Come on, little. And yeah, there's only 2 people here. Little Ruby. There we go. This is a Ruby macaw. People that make the comments like that one person that made a comment on the store. Oh, and then I had some guy, some kid from Parkview High School ran across my video. And what did he say? He said, oh, they all have their wings clipped. It's so sad, and they're in such small cages, and you don't even have a stick. Where's your stick? Put it on your had it. Did it? I don't know. Do you have a stick? Maybe this one will be something for you to stand on anyway. You get your tail up off of it. Maybe that'll work until you tune it up. He's going on and on. He's never been to the store. He's never been to my place. Had no idea what he was talking about. I just blocked it. They have their wings clipped now. They can grow them back. In about 6 months, they'll all be fully flighted again. I don't know how you did that. But it would have been nice if you could have left it there and climbed up on it. Come on. Oh my goodness. Macaw, and up you go, and out the tail. This little guy knows how to step up. He's so ready to go home. He says, I just need somebody to take me home and love me and feed me with baby food 3 times a day. You are a chunky monkey. Maybe I'm allergic to Amazon. Hey, you have had enough. You have had enough.
These two get out and they sit at the top and they look down.
Already knows how to step up. Step up. There you go. Good job. Here. This is here. Alright. My son ponders it. You and Carver This is a Nande Conure hybrid. Look how stunning he is. Good job. He says, I just really want a taste of it, Mom. There you go. Come on. The last Sun Conure of the season. Here we are. Is this not wanting to have anything to do with the baby food? Well, I'll take it now that you made it. There we go. And I said the best for last is the Moroccan baby. Come on out here. Oh, no, I still have a blue and gold. Maybe she could be the best. Because I really just want some love. Hey, no, that's my chain, and you're nipping on my neck, so that doesn't come off. My goodness, did you get some air? That is. I don't know what that is. Are you going to step down here? Nope, you're going to step down. Hang on to the edge. Because I'm almost ready. Yeah, step up. Step up here. Good job. There we go. What a good bird. Yeah, one more blue bird. And then we're done. Come on. Come on in here. I know you're over here and you were in a smaller cage. So now you're in a big one because the Catalina went home. There we go. Oh. Kind of hard hanging on to him. Wipe your face and wet baby soap. Stay warm. Step up here. Thank you all for watching this Wednesday afternoon. Come see us at the shop, 1895 Beaver Ridge Circle in Norcross. We're open 11 to 7.